hate me if you want. I don't care anymore. Who I am just to fit through your door. It is what it is, I made peace with that.
0 fucks to give.
And I'm not looking back.
I don't care.
You can talk all night when I'm not around. I'm staying busy building something real on solid ground. I'd rather stand alone with my truth intact than bend my spine again just to earn you back.
I don't care.